I'm here in Des Moines, Iowa. I say Iowa, what do you think? Exactly, pork. I say pork, what do you think? Barbecue. I say Des Moines, Iowa, I say pork, I think barbecue, and I think about that team that's won almost every barbecue competition there is, and they've got a restaurant. That's right, this is Smokey D's.
Barbecue nachos with pork.
Food here is phenomenal.
Half rack, bean and mac.
It is a bonanza of barbecue bliss.
Courtesy of champion barbecuers Darren Worth and Shad Curtin, two dudes who opened this joint in 2010. And at 11,000 square feet, well, I'm calling it the Swine Coliseum. This is nuts. 3 full-blown smokers, 24/7.
24/7.
That's a big Ferris wheel in Flavortown.
The brisket pork, the ribs are crazy.
And don't forget about the chicken.
Asian smoked wings?
They've got a real nice smoke flavor to them, and then they deep fry them. They've got a nice crunch at the end.
But the whole coop come with this order?
The whole coop.
Dynamite. And I like that you cook your wing crispy. It's fantastic. Cherrywood plays in perfect. Great spice, nice balance, subtle, not overdone. Great job, brother.
Thanks.
Great job.
Asian smoked wings?
The smoked wings are really juicy, really tender.
I love that Asian glazed sauce. It's fantastic.
You can see why they get awards for their food.
There are a lot of trophies around here. You know you're getting something good.
I'm really impressed that not only to see you in the barbecue competition circuit and how well you've done, but to see that you guys are the real deal, running your restaurant, making great food. Which means cooking up more than just Q.
Apple dumpling.
That apple dumpling is to die for. Just melts in your mouth.
It's even better than my grandmother's.
This is money. Well, you get that tang, you get a little bit of the crunch of the dough, then you get some of the soft dough that's cooked in the syrup the entire time. Apple dumpling gang rides again. This rocks.
Here's the apple dumpling.
A little tartness, a little sweetness. It's just the perfect combination.
Just like a little taste of heaven.
Tenderloin with fries.
It's just really a wonderful experience.
Order up in the window.
I love this place.
You have got a real nice variety on your menu. And the food's legit, man. You're the real deal.
Thank you.
No wonder you win all the time.